Are you looking for the spatial size but high torque servos? Hi, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. So today I want to introduce the SB-2230SG for you guys. This one is an extra size brushless servos. This one is a special design for the chassis car because the mounting is different from others. It's opposite size, so you don't care about the longs for the servo. That's why we enlarge the motors to provide more torque on this servo. You can use in 8.4 volt. The speed will be 0.11 and the torque will be 55 kg. And because this one is a special size, so it's more taller than others. So this one is 40mm from the top to the end. So some of a buggy or some of trucky cannot use that because it's too tall. SAVOX making the special spacer for the car users. This spacer you can use for mounting most of our off-road cars. The SB-2230 Plus already in the market, and the spacer will also available in the market. So if you are interested, please contact with our local distributor or visit SAVOX website. We will include in the spacer for this servo.